What happens if I use artificial fragrant Epsom salts or bath bombs?
Any Epsom salt with artificial fragrance in it or bath bombs that have artificial fragrance and artificial colors in it actually can increase your weight. Why? Because once you put them in the hot water tub and you're soaking in it for half hour, your blood capillaries actually tend to open up and your body absorbs the magnesium and the fragrance and the artificial chemicals in your body. Now those actually go in and load up your lymphatic glands, and your lymphatic system is loaded with toxins. Your body doesn't know what to do with those toxins. Those toxins get transferred the easiest warehouse of your body, which is the fat cells, and now you've got toxic fat. So fat cells, normally when you run on a treadmill, they burn up, they release energy. But once they become toxic fat, they are surrounded by water, which is body's mechanism to ensure that those toxins don't flood in your blood. That water doesn't let that toxic fat cell break down. So once that toxic cell doesn't break down, you're running on a treadmill and you get no weight loss. Why? Because you have a lot of toxic fat. What is helping grow that toxic fat, apart from stress and other toxins that you're taking in while you're eating a lot of preservative-ridden foods? This could be an added addition to that toxin level. Epsom salt that has a lot of fragrance in it, and bath bombs that have artificial colors and fragrance. So I suggest using essential oils that are 100% pure and natural, together with unfragranced Epsom salt, unfragranced baking soda, unfragranced citric acid, and make your own bath bomb or your own Epsom salt Zen bath. It's very good, but you have to add coconut oil with essential oils and unrefined, unfragranced Epsom salt to enjoy the maximum benefit.